Okay, so I'm gonna replace the fog light on a 2011 Volvo XC90, I mean XC70, and here it is. This is the broken fog light, and then we have a good one right here. So all I'm gonna do is remove this cover, this plastic cover. Okay, just like that. And then all we need is 25 torque to remove the fog light. Okay, so I have the torque 25. Okay, remove that. Here it is. It's just piece of the fog light. Then we have the fog light plug somewhere there, got stuck. Okay, so I have to remove the plug. Okay, so I found the plug for the fog light. All I'm gonna do right now is plug it in. Okay, of course it's the other way. Okay. Okay, right now I'm gonna put it in place. There is 2 small holes, and these pins need to go into it in place. So right there has to go in on both ends, and then right here. Oh, since somebody wrote something here, I have to remove the markings here, and then I'm gonna put the cover, and that's all. Very easy, few minutes. The only tool I used is the small flat screwdriver and torque 25. Okay, so I cleaned the lens, and I'm gonna now install the front grille. All I have to do is push it into place, just like that. I also cleaned the lens with scratch out, so it's a little bit better right now.